Hello and welcome to another time travel film, and we're back in the Lordswood Forest, and we're going to take the green route. I printed out a map this time, so we'll turn left and the next right, and I've got a different camera today, so it should be better in this low light. And if you see my other video, this forest is huge, so we've been down there on the restricted byway. We're going to go on the public bridleway, and here's the map, which I'm not sure if it makes any sense, so we'll hopefully won't get lost. I haven't done this route before, so I hope it's not too bad. Oh, it's not good, it's getting dark and narrow already. Yeah, this is much narrower than the other path. This has not been filmed, I don't think. I've checked YouTube the other day. God, that looks really narrow. Yeah, I've seen a video with some young lads doing some jumps in this forest, so that's somewhere out here. I hope it's not a dead end or anything. Got the wrong bike again today. I might have to walk it. My touring bike isn't on the road yet. I'm just servicing it. This is a bit sketchy on road tyres. I don't expect to bump into anyone. It's like 7:30 in the morning again. Certainly wouldn't like to do it in the dark. Who knows what's out here. You know, you could live out here and no one would know. You know, camp out here. Can't really go too fast on this. Some big stones. I hope this isn't going to be a bad idea. This is an extreme uphill now. Fallen tree. Yeah, at the end of this, or at least on the right path, there's more paths going everywhere, but we want to follow that. There's a Roman road that I want to do. Now, the Romans were obviously around about 2,000 years ago, and they had the Roman Empire across Europe, and the way they marched their armies is through making really straight roads, no bends at all. Apparently there's a Roman road in Chilworth, so I'll have a look at that. I'll do that in another video. I suspect the batteries will die about by the time I get to the end of this. I thought that was a skull, but no, it's some sort of motorbike part. Oh no, it looks like path is blocked. I think we can go around. Oh, we come out to some houses over there. We'll go up there. Well, that goes back out again, so that is really muddy. I'll have to walk over it. Right, this should be the first bend. Let's get the map out. I mean, it's really peaceful here. So we're doing the green route. I think think this must be it. I've got a clue. We'll know when we get there. I'm sure it's this way. I can't do this in the winter, it'll be really muddy. They put those there to stop cars driving up there. Wow, this is huge. This is absolutely huge. I think we'll take the main road. I think that goes off onto the other route, and we'll do that another day. Oh, I'm keeping my voice down just in case there's anyone out here. Oh my goodness, this is a bit slippery. It's like compacted sand. Oh goodness me, that's like quicksand. Might have to walk it. Come on bike, you can do it. Holy crap. I don't know if I can ride this. I'm not joking. I hope it's not all like this. It's like the Forest of Endor out here. Just to make sure no one's following me. Just to think this is only like 10 minutes from where I live. Look at it. It's all untouched. Well, at least I know there'll be a downhill after the long uphill. I just hope it's rideable. Nearly at the top. So yeah, if you're local to the area, check out Lord's Wood. I'll put a link on Google Maps in the description. Well, last time I've actually bumped into people walking the other way. There's no one out here. Absolutely no one. Look at it. But you could get lost out here if you're not careful. Alright, we've come to some sort of crossroads. Now I'm not aware this path crosses back to the one we did the other day in the other video. No, it shouldn't, unless we've taken the wrong turn. Oh no, it does cross. It crosses the blue path. Now the blue path is along here. We need to go straight ahead. Now if we went left, that would take us the wrong way and we could get lost doing that. I think we go straight on, so let's see how far we got to go after that. We're at that crossroads, so it's a long way. We're only done less than halfway. Alright, this is incredible. We're literally probably not even in the middle. Alright, let's see if we can ride this. Try not to get a puncture. Someone's left some flowers there. At least this is flat. It's not so sandy. I could come here in the winter. I mean, this won't be muddy too much. Won't be too boggy. Wow, look at that. All those tall trees. That is amazing. Right, we're coming up to some uphill. So we can get some momentum up. That's horse droppings, that is, I think. Right, look at the slope. Come on. I'm in the lowest gear. I wonder if there's a viewing area at the top. There's someone's house over there. House in the middle of the woods. There's a gate. Now when I edit this video, I might have gone the wrong way, so it might be different when I put the map on the screen. Holy crap. Hang on, we come to the end, have we? Bit of a climb. I don't recognise that bit. Alright, we come out to someone's house of a gate. Another big gate. Wow, they got a big lawn. They got a huge lawn. I can see it behind the fence. Right, I was expecting to see the motorway crossing over here, but I haven't seen it. I'm a little lost. Got another gate. That's a big house. That's just the side house. Well, this is much easier to ride. I can hear the motorway, so we must be near the crossing. But I think we've come out at a different place to where I was expecting. Ah, there's the flyover. I wonder how much that is. It's probably at least £500,000. Right, thank goodness. So we've come out onto the motorway or freeway or highway, depending where you are in the world. So we come out through there last time, and we're over the freeway. Oh, that's brilliant. I'm glad we went that way. Right, I'm going to stop the video about here, and thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.